If you know how to swim in a pool, your biggest challenge is to stay calm in the ocean. The basic concepts of swimming are the same. Your arms make you move forward. If your legs are not sinking, they can also help you move forward. The body rotates from side to side to help you breathe, to avoid frontal drag, and to use bigger muscles to pull. That's why from the first time I swam in the ocean, I could swim a few miles or kilometers without any problem. If you have swam in a pool and in the ocean, you know they are two completely different experiences. For one, your body floats better in salt water, but you might not even notice that if you are too busy trying to breathe between all the waves. You can't see the bottom and you start to imagine sea monsters. But the truth is that sea monsters are not very interested in us humans. They've just heard of us. They know we've put a lot of plastic in the oceans. I will tell you my number one tip to swim in the ocean, but first, let me tell you what we can do to clean plastic from our precious water. We've joined a global movement and we are inviting you to join. You will see a lot of videos about this movement on YouTube, and this is our contribution. Team Seas is a global campaign to raise $30 million to remove 30 million pounds of plastic and trash from our oceans, rivers, and beaches. Swimmers are the biggest water fanatics, and we're lucky to live in a planet full of it. It might be a good idea to take care of it, unless you want to be swimming in used band-aids in the future. We're very excited about this. Mr. Beast, Mark Rober, and many other creators are putting a huge spotlight on this problem, and they're not even swimmers. Tell your swimmer friends, your favorite Olympians, and your fellow water lovers. Tell them to visit teamseas.org and join the movement. You can also contribute by watching and sharing videos of other creators of Team Seas. Here's my number one tip to swim in the ocean. If you have a triathlon, an Ironman, or an open water competition soon, and you're a little nervous about it because it's your first time swimming in the ocean for that long, remember this. When you're swimming in the middle of the ocean, know that you are moving. You will see objects that are really far away. From that perspective, it feels like no matter how hard you try, you're not moving at all. But the physics of swimming are the same. Try to keep your best swimming technique as long as you can. Keep calm and remember that you are moving forward. There are currents that will push you to one side or the other, and you will have to keep looking at those faraway objects if you want to stay in the right path. Also, there are waves, so you'll need to take your head out a little further to take a breath. Every few swim strokes, look up with your head out. Take a good breath and adjust your aim. Most importantly, remember that you are moving forward. Aaron wants to swim in the ocean right now, but there are a few things that we still need to correct before letting him go in the deep blue. He's been swimming for only 1 month and a half. You have seen him improve in our past videos, but he still doesn't move fast and smooth enough to be safe in the ocean. If you don't know who Aaron is, click here to follow his swimming journey, or subscribe here if you want more swimming content in your life. We are trying to get to 1 million followers before the next Olympics. Oh, and don't forget to visit teamseas.org. See you there. Swim fast.